I've gotten big into gardening this year. I have plants and gardening paraphernalia everywhere. I'm Sarah with WTI, and even though my family has been very patient and supportive of my hobby, I think they've had enough. So everyone was very pleased when I received this shed from Mars Explo. This shed is the perfect size to use as a pool shed, to store your yard tools in, or to use as a gardening shed. And with its large lockable double doors, everything is easy to access and well protected from intruders and all types of weather. All of the material is durable, the foundation is strong, and you have the option to anchor this into concrete or into the ground. This came well packaged with all of the hardware. It has nicely illustrated instructions and even 2 pairs of work gloves to put everything together. I like how all of the pieces lined up nicely, and I was able to get most of this together by myself, but my husband did help me with the roof and to speed up the process. I absolutely love how cute this is. I have a little corner of the yard where I keep my vegetable garden and my chicken coop, and this definitely adds to the charm of that area. So if you're looking for a dependable and adorable storage shed, then I think you should check this one out, and that's my point of view.